Here are 10 things to do to secure your crypto wallet and reduce the likelihood of being hacked. Hi guys, if you just stumbled on our channel, this is Crypto Sage. On this channel, we provide useful updates, trading tutorials, how-to videos, and other useful materials and information concentrating on cryptocurrencies, NFTs, and leveraging technologies to invest in other assets. So without wasting much time, let's go straight to the video. The first tip is to use a cold wallet. There are two types of crypto wallets that you need to understand. We have the hot wallet and then the cold wallet. Now, hot wallets are wallets that are connected to the internet, such as Exodus and the MetaMask. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline wallets not connected to the internet, such as a USB device. Hot wallet can be logged into from anywhere at any time, but comes at a greater risk of data theft and breaches. Cold wallets require some technical knowledge to set up and are considered safer. But if you lose your offline wallet, there is no forgot your password option to recover it. An excellent example of this is Ledger, developers of a hardware wallet with the highest possible level of security. Your cryptocurrency's private key are stored under several layers of security in a USB stick that comes with sophisticated security measures. The next on our list is to use a two-factor authentication. 2FA provides an additional layer of security to your account. When someone tries to log in, you receive a message or an email with verification code. This is an additional step that makes it challenging for hackers to access your account. They would need this verification code, for which they may call and try to convince you to hand it over to them. As a good rule of thumb, never share your 2FA code or your one-time password or any other security verification code with anyone. Nobody from the crypto exchange will call you for your credentials. The third tip on our list is to keep your seed phrase in a safe place. A seed phrase, as you all know, is a collection of 12 to 24 random words generated by a wallet service such as MetaMask. This seed phrase has to be entered in the exact same sequence you get when signing up. Unfortunately, there is no forgot your password option you can rely on. Hence, if you lose your seed phrase, you also lose access to your wallet. Ensure to keep this seed phrase in a safe place, preferably offline. Simply write it on a piece of paper and put it somewhere you normally place your belongings if you would prefer. Number 4 tips is to keep a strong password and change it frequently. Try to use a combination of different words, numbers and symbols. Completely random passwords are the hardest password, posing a serious challenge for hackers. But you also need to write them down somewhere in a safe location if you can't remember them. Number 5 tip is to keep your investment in multiple wallets. As the saying goes, never put all your eggs in one basket. Imagine you had 2 dozen of eggs, which would be riskier? Putting all of them in one basket or dividing them equally in 2? What if the basket fell? All the egg would break. But what if you had 2 baskets and only one fell? The same concept applies in the world of cryptocurrency. Instead of putting all your NFTs and cryptocurrencies in one wallet, divide them in at least 2. Use one hot wallet for day-to-day transactions and a cold wallet for holdings. The number 6 tips is to avoid crypto scam on social media platforms. It is time you realize that there is no such thing as easy money. Imagine you're watching a YouTube video on how to make money from cryptocurrency trading. The channel has over 500,000 subscribers and the content creator is credible in this niche. But somewhere in the comments, you see the channel owner asking you to reach them out via their WhatsApp or Telegram number to invest with them and double your profit. After several days, you transfer $500 worth of Bitcoin, Ethereum or other cryptocurrency with a promise of receiving it double to your wallet within 24 hours. After transferring the funds, you email the channel creator and verify whether they received the funds or not. Alas, you get a reply. Sorry buddy, which funds? I never asked for your money. Your entire world collapsed. What just happened in this scenario is one example of a popular scam in the crypto world. That person was none other than a scammer pretending to be the channel owner. This is happening at such an alarming rate that crypto YouTubers with millions of subscribers are pushing YouTube to take action on it. So you got to stay alert. The 7th tip is to stay vigilant. A phishing attack is when hackers trick you into entering your user credentials into a legitimate looking website. For example, you may receive an email from your crypto exchange to immediately reset your username and password because your account was compromised. The website looks real, except it's not an actual link for that exchange. Always ensure that the link is HTTPS and of the correct website. This goes on to show that regardless of the level of security, you can never rely on storing cryptos in any online exchange. It is better to store your digital coins in offline and online wallets to manage your risks. Number 8 is to use a secure internet connection. Working from home is a blessing. You can now work remotely from companies by enjoying your favorite cup of tea at a nearby cafe. But here is the catch. Public Wi-Fi is not secure and definitely not an option when making an online transaction from your bank account or crypto wallet. When connected to public network, always use a reliable VPN. Number 9 is to always double check the recipient's wallet address. A sender or receiver of cryptocurrency is identified by the wallet address. This address is composed of alphabets, numbers, and special characters, typically 26 to 35 characters long. Before sending the cryptocurrency to another wallet, always double check the recipient ID. Malicious softwares can edit and paste the wrong wallet address belonging to a hacker. Once the transaction is made, it can never be reversed on the blockchain network. Hence, it is better to be safe than sorry. And finally, number 10, use updated antivirus program. Many antivirus programs provide amazing protection features against crypto hacking and phishing attempts. These programs scan all incoming emails and flag potential phishing attack to safeguard your wallet. Always remember to buy licensed version of antivirus software and keep them updated with the latest database. And that is the end of the 10 tips, guys. If you have enjoyed this video, please hit the like button below to show your appreciation, and don't forget to place your thumbs on the subscribe button so as to get access to our amazing feature videos. Until next time, peace.